Welcome back to the channel, where I help you find the best products on Amazon with real, time-saving reviews. Today we are taking a look at the top 5 best crispy air fryers, chosen for performance, features, and overall value. If you are searching for a powerful and reliable air fryer for healthier cooking, this list will help you pick the perfect one. We have included links in the description. Number 1. Ninja Crispi Air Fryer, Microwave, Freezer and Dishwasher Safe, Non-Toxic Glass Portable Cooking System, 4 cutie and 6-cup glass containers with storage lids, easy meals, air fry, bake, stone, FN101SC. The Ninja Crispi Air Fryer FN101ST delivers a versatile cooking experience by combining a glass-based non-toxic design with a compact system intended for everyday meals. The highlight of this model is its portable cooking setup that includes a 4-quart glass container and a 6-cup glass container, both with storage lids, allowing easy transitions between prepping, cooking, and storing food without extra dishes. The glass build gives a clear view of the cooking process, and because it is non-toxic and resistant to staining, it helps maintain a clean and reliable setup over time. The air fryer is designed for those who want a healthier approach to cooking while maintaining strong textures and flavors. Its air fry and bake functions allow crisping, roasting, reheating, and cooking a variety of foods, from vegetables and snacks to proteins. The stone setting offers a more even heating environment that helps preserve moisture while still creating a crisp finish. The unit heats quickly, distributes warmth evenly, and works well for people who prefer simple operation without complicated programming. Those who meal prep will find value in the included containers because they are microwave safe, freezer safe, and dishwasher safe, creating a single solution for cooking and storing meals throughout the week. This makes the system ideal for making batches of chicken, vegetables, or mixed meals, then storing them in the same containers. The lids provide a tight seal that helps maintain freshness when stored in the fridge or freezer. Number 2. NuWave Bravo XL Pro Air Fryer Toaster Oven with Grill Combo, 2025 New Ultra-Fast Convection System, 35% crispier, 2x more even, 142 presets, 50-500F, Smarter Probe, PFAS-free, 30 cutie, stainless steel. The NuWave Bravo XL Pro is designed as a full-scale countertop cooking system that blends the capabilities of an air fryer, toaster oven, grill, and convection oven into one appliance. This model focuses on precision and control, offering temperature settings from 50 degrees to 500 degrees. A key feature of this model is its 142 presets. These presets simplify cooking by offering optimized settings for common foods, reducing guesswork and improving consistency. The stainless steel design adds durability while also giving the unit a modern appearance. The door and controls are built for daily use, and the digital display provides a clear view of time, temperature, and selected functions. The air frying capability stands out by producing crisp finishes with a fraction of the oil used in traditional frying. The ultra-fast convection fan improves texture and eliminates cold spots, making the results more dependable across batches. The grill function adds versatility for searing vegetables or meats. Cleanup is simplified with removable racks and trays that can be washed quickly after use. Number 3. Ninja Crispi Pro 6-in-1 Glass Air Fryer, 6 QT and 2.5 QT glass containers with storage lids, non-toxic meal prep, microwave, freezer and dishwasher safe, air fry, bake and more, Gray AS101DG. The Ninja Crispi Pro 6-in-1 Glass Air Fryer AS101DG expands flexibility for home cooking by offering a 6-quart glass cooking container paired with a 2.5-quart container, both equipped with storage lids for meal prep and refrigeration. The heating performance is engineered to provide even crisping without requiring excess oil, making it ideal for healthier recipes. Vegetables, frozen foods, chicken, fish, and snacks all benefit from the circulating heat that produces a consistent finish. The larger 6-quart container accommodates family-sized meals or batch cooking, while the smaller 2.5-quart container is useful for individual portions or sides. Both containers are microwave safe, freezer safe, and dishwasher safe, providing a streamlined system for cooking, storing, and reheating meals. The compact footprint makes it suitable for smaller kitchens or for users seeking a portable solution that can handle weekly meal prep. The controls are straightforward, with easily selectable functions and clear time and temperature adjustments. The unit heats quickly and provides a stable cooking environment. Meal prep users benefit from the ability to cook multiple dishes across the 2 containers and store them directly in the fridge. This reduces cleanup and eliminates the need for transferring food between dishes. The storage lids create a tight seal that helps maintain flavor and freshness over time. For busy households, this approach helps save time across the week. Number 4. Instant Pot 10 QD Air Fryer 7-in-1 functions with even crisp technology that crisps, broils, bakes, roasts, dehydrates, reheats and rotisseries, includes over 100 in-app recipes, stainless steel. The Instant Pot 10 QD Air Fryer brings together 7 functions in a single appliance, offering capabilities to crisp, broil, bake, roast, dehydrate, reheat, and rotisserie. The large 10-quart capacity supports family-sized meals, making it ideal for households that cook larger portions or want to prepare multiple dishes at once. A standout feature of this model is its built-in rotisserie function, which allows whole chickens or roast meats to be cooked evenly with slow rotation and consistent heating. The system ensures the outside becomes golden and crisp while retaining juiciness on the inside. Baking functions allow users to prepare breads, casseroles, desserts, and oven-style dishes without needing a full-size oven. The large basket and trays allow multi-level cooking, enabling different foods to be cooked simultaneously. This is particularly useful for preparing entire meals on one appliance. The digital control panel offers preset programs that simplify operation, and the stainless steel design adds durability. The layout is user-friendly and suitable for both beginners and experienced home cooks. The air frying results show consistent crisping with minimal oil, making it ideal for snacks, fries, vegetables, and frozen foods. The dehydrating function is useful for preserving fruits, vegetables, or homemade snacks like dried herbs or jerky. Cleanup is simplified with dishwasher-safe accessories. The stainless steel exterior is easy to wipe and maintain. Number 5. Crispi Air Fryer 7 QT Large Capacity, Fry Force 360 degrees, digital display with 12 presets, roast, bake, broil, dehydrate, dishwasher-safe accessories, black. The Crispi 7-quart air fryer provides a large capacity cooking solution with a strong focus on convenience, speed, and healthier cooking. The 7-quart basket supports family-sized meals or batch cooking, allowing users to prepare larger portions of chicken, vegetables, fries, or snacks in a single cycle. The Fryforce 360-degree technology creates a powerful airflow system that enhances crisping and promotes even browning throughout the basket. The digital display features 12 presets that simplify the cooking process. These presets cover common foods such as fries, wings, fish, vegetables, and baked items, giving users a quick way to achieve consistent results without guesswork. The fryer heats quickly and maintains steady temperature levels, ensuring foods cook evenly from all sides. This makes it suitable for both beginners and experienced home cooks seeking fast and predictable performance. The air frying performance reduces the need for oil while still providing a crisp texture that resembles fried results. The large capacity helps support meal prep while also controlling moisture and preventing overcrowding inside the basket. The design is straightforward, and the controls are intuitive, with clearly labeled buttons and a digital timer that is easy to adjust. The unit also supports roasting, baking, broiling, and dehydrating. These functions expand versatility without requiring separate appliances. Users can prepare desserts, roasted vegetables, grilled-style proteins, or homemade dried snacks. The temperature control range accommodates slow cooking and high-heat crisping. Cleanup is made simple with dishwasher-safe accessories and a non-stick basket that reduces residue buildup. Thanks for watching this review of the top 5 best Crispi air fryers. If you found this helpful, check the links in the description for the latest prices and availability. Make sure to subscribe for more detailed Amazon product reviews, and I will see you in the next video with another top 5 roundup.